On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger logout issue. So if you have any problem, this tutorial is going to help you. So first thing you want to do, guys, is very simple. Just open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. After you update your Messenger, now go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps and search for Messenger like this and click on force stop, and then go to the internal storage or the storage right here. As you can see, click on clear data and click on delete, and that's it. Very easy and simple and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.